everyone. In today's episode, we'll be discussing how to create a QR code using Word. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to Word. So, in this case, we're head over to Word. And then I'll just delete this. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to hit Control F9. I repeat, Control F9. Then you write display, then quotation marks, then you use quotation marks. Okay, can we close the quotation marks? Then within the quotation marks, for me, for this episode, I will paste my YouTube channel link. So let me paste it. Okay. So I'm gonna head over to YouTube. So I have to minimize this. Okay, I'll combine it. I head over to YouTube. And then I'll head over to view my channel. Then I'll click here. So I'll minimize this. Then I paste the link to my channel here. So I already pasted the link to my channel. Then I'll write QR. Then I don't know whether if this is a forward slash or backslash. I'll just say forward slash and forward slash 3. And then I'll right click, then toggle field codes. And already I have my QR code displayed. So now I'll test if my QR code works using my phone.
A few moments later.
So now I'm gonna test if my QR code is working perfectly and whether or not it's gonna take me to my YouTube channel. So I'll swipe right because I'm using an Android, and then I'll go and scan QR code. So in this case, I'm scanning my QR code, and then I'll open the link. And it took me to my YouTube channel. So this is how you create a QR code using Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching.